Welcome to Guni. Let's dive deep into how to mass upload contacts using Excel and CSV file. Here is an example of an Excel with first name, last name, number and product. Go to the audience from the left menu, click Group. Click Add Group. Now select the contact file to upload. Map the number to the mobile number field, first name to first name, last name to last name, and product via Add Label. If you do not want to use predefined labels, just delete and add your own label like we did for the product. Soon contact group will be ready to use, as you can see all the contacts and their fields on the screen. Let's add more contacts to an existing group. Click Action, select Add Contacts, then select Single Contact. Enter name, first name, last name and product. Then click Add Contact. Let's see how we can delete the contacts from the group. Select Contacts. Then go to Action. Then select Delete. And click Yes to confirm deletion. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to go to Guni Academy to check out more tutorials such as running a campaign, API integration, workflow, email to SMS, and so on. Visit Guni website for current offers and features.